Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best vinyl fence repair kit on the market, the Guppyhill Vinyl Siding Repair Kit. If you're dealing with cracks, holes, or any blemishes on your vinyl siding or fence, this kit promises a quick, easy, and durable fix without the hassle of dismantling your fence or replacing whole panels. Let's start with what makes this kit stand out. The Guppyhill kit comes with 12 self-adhesive patches, each measuring about 6.3 by 4.75 inches, made from a thin but weather-resistant PVC material. These patches are designed to blend seamlessly with your existing vinyl siding or fencing once installed and painted. Installation is straightforward. Clean the damaged area, peel off the backing, stick the patch over the imperfection, flatten it down for a secure hold, and then paint over it if needed. It's that simple. One of the biggest advantages here is the weatherability. The patches are effective in a wide temperature range, from as low as 5 degrees Fahrenheit to as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can apply the patches in various climates without worrying about the adhesive failing or the patch cracking. Plus, since the material is PVC, it's designed to resist moisture, fading, and other weather-related wear and tear, ensuring your repair lasts for a long time. Inside the package, you'll find 12 patches along with a user's manual, which guides you through the process step by step, making it accessible even if you're not a DIY expert. The patches are flexible enough to be cut to fit different sized cracks or holes, giving you the freedom to customize the repair to your specific needs. Why use a vinyl siding repair kit instead of traditional methods like spackling or replacing panels? Traditional repairs can be messy, time-consuming, and costly. The Guppyhill kit offers a clean and cost-effective alternative, saving you the time and effort of removing posts, panels, or digging around your fence. It's perfect for quick fixes that maintain the look and functionality of your vinyl surfaces. Whether you have minor blemishes from weather damage, accidental impacts, or natural wear and tear, this kit is designed to cover those imperfections neatly. The adhesive backing is strong, providing a lasting bond that won't peel off easily, and the surface is paintable, allowing you to match your siding's color perfectly. In summary, if you want a reliable, easy-to-use repair solution for your vinyl siding or fencing, the Guppyhill Vinyl Siding Repair Kit offers exactly that. With its weather-resistant PVC patches, simple peel and stick installation, and adaptability to various crack sizes, it stands out as the best vinyl fence repair kit you can find. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in a hassle-free way to fix your vinyl siding or fence, this kit is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.